In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to create a repository. Repositories can reside either on the network, where the files are held in version control systems, or locally on the drive where DeployHub has been installed. DeployHub also has the built-in intelligence required to check out files from your version control system or an external binary repository. In this tutorial, we'll keep it simple and check out text files from a directory on a local drive. Let's create a simple repository named Day1 Repo. Click on the Connections view along the top. Click on the Repositories tab. Right-click on the Day1 domain. Select New Repository in this domain from the drop-down list. Fill in the fields in the resulting window. Put Day1 Repo into the name field. Select File System from the Type drop-down list. Click on the Credentials list and notice the global Day1 Cred credential. Remember, we created the credential named Day1 Cred in the previous tutorial. If we were accessing the files to be deployed from a machine other than the local one, we would select this credential, which contains the username and password to that server. In this case, it's not necessary, but we'll do it anyway just to show how it's done. Click OK. Click on the Properties tab, then click on the plus sign on the far right. Make sure that the name field is set to file path. Enter source files into the value field. This is where the files are located on the local machine. Now click OK. This concludes the repository tutorial. We'll be using this in later tutorials for creating components and performing a deployment.